Hello everyone, it's Cindy from Cinders. This should hopefully be a quick one because I am very warm in my craft room today. Right, now, to the lovely ladies that I asked to email me, and they did, I believe, I would like to apologise. Someone thought it would be great fun to enter my email address into one of these search engines that literally fills up your inbox. So I'm having to delete thousands. We're not talking about hundreds, we're talking about thousands. So I will get to you, I promise. My confidence that I could give my email address out has bit me in the bottom. And I'm saying this very quickly now, because I want to name and shame someone. I probably won't, because I'll call her Lisa. Well, that is her first name, so yes, I've got to call her Lisa. She sent me an email, and at first I thought she was being really sweet. And she said that she was glad that I was giving up Stampin' Up, that I didn't meet the standards of what a demonstrator belonging to Stampin' Up should have. What else? My tutorials were unprofessional and too long, that I was overly familiar with my audience, and that I was untalented, and I can't remember what else. It just was completely nasty. Now, I'm not a professional stamper. I don't know if I could ever be. I'm quite happy to be called untalented. I just do what I love, and I hope that it's of benefit to some of you. And my crafting style is I craft like one-on-one. I think I'm crafting with my friends, so I'm relaxed as I would be in person, and I can take the mickey out of myself. When mistakes come up, she thought I should delete all my mistakes, that it didn't give the correct impression of what a Stampin' Up decorator should be, which is fair enough. I'll take all that on the chin, not a problem. But she said that I was common and uneducated. Well, I may be common, but that's fair enough. That's someone's opinion. But uneducated I am not. I hold a very high job. Well, it's not a high job. I run the #1 doctor surgery in Surrey. We are either 16th or 19th in the United Kingdom. So that's North Ireland, Scotland, Wales and England. God, she's going to show how uneducated I was. But you know, even if I wasn't doing that, even if I was a hygiene technician, or I was going along the roads picking up rubbish, no one has the right to call anyone uneducated. And that got to me. So I would say to Lisa, as I am uneducated and common, to you. Right, now that's out of the way. I've had my rant. I'm good. Now, I want to save you all lots and lots of money. So I am going to start a tip to save you money once a week. And this week is going to be Distress Oxide and a really good embossing trick, that not heat embossing but dry embossing. Not even that. I'll show you when it comes up. Right, so I do a lot of stitching on cards, but my hands weren't so good yesterday, so I come into my craft room and I put loads of ink down, and then I threw water at it. And that was my idea of fun. But this is my Distress ink oxides. I love them. They are easy to blend. The effects you get are great. But look at these. This was one that come around in a magazine for free. Sorry, I have ink all over me where I was getting these ready. And look, I think that's done pretty darn well. But look at this one. That looks like a dog. See, 2 eyes and nose. That one looks like an alien. And that one looks like a skull. But anyhow, It was the effect. So what that was I make up my own stamp cleaner, which is moisturising hand cleaner with a mix of water. Now, moisturising hand cleaner has glycerin in, which keeps your stamps soft. Should never clean them in alcohol. So that's what I do when I'm not using dark colours. When I'm using red or blue or any of those colours that stain, I will use a Stays On cleaner by Hero Arts. It's called Ultra Clean. And you can use that on clear stamps with Stays On. So, but I thought this was brilliant. So this morning, I got this ready. Well, not this morning. We're in the afternoon now. But the thing is, oops, sorry guys. The thing is I was doing this and it was drying before I could get the heat onto it. So it didn't give a true reading. But I'll tell you anyway. This is the Distress Ink Oxide line that I've done so that you can compare it. But I mean, look at the reactions you're getting. They're very intense. Right, so this is just water. But when I got down to here, that's the washing up liquid. It was drying so quickly. And when here, by the time I got to about there, this is the hand wash, it had already dried. And it is best to heat dry it. It intensifies it. So this isn't a true reading. This is, but the whole point of this is, you might have some of these inks and think, but I'd like to do some Distress Ink Oxide, but I haven't got them. So that is the Versafine Clair Nocturne. I would always go with the Distress Ink Oxide in, what's that called? But it's in black. It's coal. No, it's not coal. I can't remember. Sorry. That one is that, which really didn't do much, but like I said, it was so warm in here. This is that one, which gave quite a good effect. That one is the one that comes round in the magazine, and it comes round with a stamp set. It's a free it's a magazine that I subscribe to over here. How cool is that? I think it's amazing. I can't remember what it is, but they're now including dyes. Dyes? Ink. The heat's getting to me. Right, this one is the old version of the Stampin' Up, which has just been discontinued because they're going to the new one, and I don't know what the new one's going to do, but also give good results. And here's my tip for you. If you can get minis, get them. Right, I belong to the monthly Hero stamp service that I get from America. Honestly, it is amazing value. You get inks, you get dyes, you get stamp and special papers, and it's just amazing. Embossing powders and all. If you fancy that, have a look at it. It is amazing. Right, so that is a lovely deep rich colour, but again, because it was drying, so that's my favourite things that have done this one. That is gorgeous. This is the one that done this, the Altenew. It's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. This is the Versafine. Look how rich that colour is. Like I say, you can stamp with miniatures. You do not need big pads for everything at all. And when you're working on a Misty or a Tim Holtz platform, or if you've ever made like a stamping platform, I did. When I first started up and I saw everyone else, I made myself one. See, made it. Yeah, but now I've got my Misties and my Tim Holtz, so unfortunately that one doesn't get any showing. And yeah, so that is the effect. Now if I could show this when it's cooler, I know it would show a much deeper effect. And I think I got the majority of blends. If you've got another one, try it. I was amazed at just how well it worked. As I say, look at that. And if you can get them to have bubbles on, you get the most amazing little effects. So there you go. That could be a very quick tip. Might save you some pennies. Now I am making, I say this, I've been roped in, well I haven't been roped in, that's not fair at all. I am going to be making a card for one of my work colleagues. It's going to be like an album, but it's a card where you'll open it up and then you have a panel and I'll decorate that up and then the person can sign it. There's 5 or 6 of us that are going to sign it, so it's going to take quite a bit of work, but I'll show you it when it comes out, and if you like I can show you how to do them. Now this is what I used with my Versamark and my Perfect Pearls. Now this is the colour Perfect Pearls. Now these are amazing. I have used these so much. I used to just put it in plain water in one of these, and then I would literally, you get shimmer water, and it's just gorgeous. Trust me, it's gorgeous. But they go on forever. But you also put them on top of Versamark, and it makes it all shiny. Isn't it pretty? But this is going to go on the front of this wedding card, and I thought I wanted something a lot not duller, that's not, more muted. So I made that. Now you're probably thinking that says dull as dishwater. In real life that is so gorgeous. That looks like specially made vellum. Now I will take a stamp and I will take that. What have I done with my stamp? Oh, I tell you, sometimes I swear I'm going round the bend. I can't even find my stamp. Someone's come in here and stolen my stamp. Literally, while I was here. Right, let's find any stamp. I can't believe I've lost that stamp. Perhaps I am unprofessional. They weren't lying. Right, so I did think I had it nearer. This works on anything. It does not have to be any specific make. It makes no difference whatsoever. Right, so here we go. So what you are going to do is you are going to get your stamp and you are going to load it up with your Versamark, and you are going to plump it down, but I forgot one of the bits. Silly move. One of the most important bits is put your baby powder down. Right, doesn't need to be a lot, but just enough that you can get a look in. Right, so when you lift that, let's get that, it has lifted it away, see? And that on its own is lovely. But if you, I need that. Ooh, I did have more than I thought. If you then rub that on top and get all the others off, you see I was doing this with a whole page, so I wasn't wasting, not that you waste. But look, and it comes up this lovely muted colour. Now, I've made a right hash of that because I'm in a hurry. But isn't that gorgeous? And that's just baby powder. You can probably pick these up from the pound shop. Baby powder you can get anywhere. All you need is your Versamark and a stamp. And I love it. Right, so thank you for spending part of your day with me. I will be popping on later to show you the card, and I will wish you a very happy day and lots of love to you all. Thank you for supporting me. Crafty hugs. Bye.